it's Marky. Let's talk about these OPPUM tennis rackets that I have gotten. They come in this nylon bag, which is super nice, and it has this strap, which is really convenient to take just straight onto the court with you. You just unzip it, grab your rackets. This one is my husband's. He hasn't used it yet. I'm trying to get him into it. I have used mine multiple times and I have absolutely loved it. This is a 27-inch frame. The frame itself is made of aluminum and it's solid aluminum, so it's not gonna crack, it's not gonna break on you. The handle is wooden and it is laid with overgrip tape, so it's really grippy. You're not gonna lose your grip when you're swinging. It also reduces the vibrations and the shock. So if you're new to tennis or you've played before, you know when the ball hits this netting, it's going to totally send vibrations if the handle isn't sturdy and made of something quality. So this has been great in my opinion. If you are in the market, if you're new to tennis, or even if you played for a long time, I think this is a great product. Like I said, it does come with two, it comes with the bag. So I highly recommend it and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.